Hey Kitty fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Manvi and I'm so excited to share my 10 must-haves every girl needs in her life. So grab your coffee, chai, your favorite snack, let's settle in. We are going to cover everything from skincare, beauty, wellness, fitness and so much more. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk skincare. So over the years, I've realized that one of the biggest reasons behind our skin problems is not cleaning it properly. Many people still use a water-based face wash, which is not enough. And I was on a hunt for a cleansing oil which is affordable and also does not hurt your eyes and does not feel heavy, greasy on the skin. And simple, newly launched Kind2 Skin Cleansing Jelly Oil is amazing. It has a jelly texture which turns into oil and it dissolves all of your makeup, sunscreen, sebum, oil. It makes my skin so soft because it has glycerin and squalane, but I don't feel that there is any oil left on my skin after using this. So if you're an oily, acne prone skin type and you're scared of cleansing oils, do not worry, go for this. It makes my skin squeaky clean, so it is for all skin types. Next up is something every girl needs in her self-care toolkit, the Venus Bikini Sensitive Hair Removal Razor. This little gem is a game changer for shaving your delicate bikini area. If you need a step-by-step guide how to shave your bikini area, let me know in the comment section and I will make a separate video for it. This is one of my favorite razors I use for that area especially. It's so sensitive, skin friendly, and it gives a smooth shave without getting any cuts. Another essential every girl needs is panty liners. I have the Pee Safe panty liners made with soft and breathable material. They help you stay dry and fresh all day long, especially on those light spotting days, and they're super thin so you won't even notice you're wearing one. I always keep one of these in my bag and mainly when I'm traveling. Next on the list are these two fragrances. With fall season just around the corner, these scents are perfect for the cozy vibes. First is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello perfume. Imagine the scent of creamy vanilla mixed with salted caramel with a hint of nuttiness coming from almond and pistachio notes. It's a delicious gourmand fragrance, perfect for everyday wear. I prefer using it during daytime because it's sweet and comforting. Whenever I apply this on myself, I feel like I'm walking into a bakery filled with freshly baked cookies, caramel drizzle and nutty pastries. Pro tip, apply the Vanilla Caramello body lotion and then this perfume, and I get so many compliments on this combination. Second is the Plum Body Loving Smoking Vanilla perfume. This transports me to a cozy cabin surrounded by lush green forest on a crisp fall evening with a crackling fire burning softly in the background. It has the scent of sweet honeysuckle with warm and fresh notes of vanilla and balsam. Then the fragrance deepens with woody undertones, white musk and a touch of amber. I prefer wearing this in the evening time when you want to feel a bit more luxurious. It's sweet and sultry. Both of these perfumes have amazing staying power, so you will smell great all day long. You can use my code MANVI15 to get 15% off on your order on Plum website. Let's move on to a beauty essential that I use every day, even on the days when I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer, a lip tint. My current obsession is the Etude House Dear Darling Oil Tint. It's a lip tint plus lip oil. It keeps my lips moisturized and adds a nice tint on my lips. I have the shade Real Cherry, which gives my lips this gorgeous pop of color. I love it and definitely get this one. Next must have for every grown-up girl is summer dresses. These are not only cute but super comfortable to wear. One of my go-to brands right now is House of Sell. These dresses are made of lightweight, breathable fabric that feels like a dream on my skin. What I love the most about summer dresses is that how versatile they are. You can dress them up with a statement jewelry and some sandals and wear them for special occasions, or keep it casual everyday wear with some sneakers and a shirt. Literally live in these summer dresses. Next is a book that I would recommend to every girl I know. This is Pivot Year by Brianna Wiest, and it's like a warm hug that you never knew you needed. It's like the first sip of hot coffee in the morning. If you're someone who feels everything so deeply and you crave understanding, connection, this will make you feel seen and heard. Each page feels like a conversation with a close friend who gets you. It has 365 days instead of chapters, so you can read one page every day and start your day on a high note instead of scrolling on internet. At the beginning of this year, one of my biggest goal was to become a reader, and I'm happy to report I've achieved that goal. So I read one book every month plus audiobook. I don't even look at my phone anymore in the morning. I get up and the first thing I do, read some pages. Let me read one page for you, what you need to hear from universe. So I just, I've read this book, so I close my eyes and just flip through this book and read whatever comes that day. I hope you will have faith in the fact that everything that's meant for you will find you, remain with you, or return to you. It's only a matter of when. I hope you will realize that when you ask for a bigger experience, you will first be handed the lessons that will grow you into the type of person who can have the life you envision. I hope you will begin to see the purpose in what seemed meaningless. I hope you will never lose faith that your happy ending is still there, still waiting. Next must-have for every girl is sportswear. I have these supportive bras and these cycling shorts that I change into every morning for my workouts, and it's like flipping a switch. I'm in the zone and I'm ready to crush my workouts. I got these from H&M, and these are not just comfortable but also give you full support for flexibility and when you are lifting your weights or if you're doing your high intensity cardio workouts. There are some days when I just don't feel like working out. I just change into these and then I have to work out, and most of times it works. This trick works. A journal is a wellness must-have for every girl. I don't care how busy you are, everybody is busy. Just give it 5 minutes of your day and start writing your thoughts, your goals, your intentions, and the things that you want to manifest. It's a simple habit that will change your life for the good. I got this from Amazon. You don't need to buy a fancy journal or a planner. Just get one of these unruled notebooks. It's a sketchbook actually. I like the pages, really thick, and I also use it as a planner. Act of picking up a pen and writing down your thoughts is so powerful. You are actually creating your life. Remember, your journal is your safe space, so don't overthink, just start writing. It will help you gain clarity and focus on what truly matters. My last current must-have is AirPods Pro. I got these for my 34th birthday. It cancels out all the noise. You can't hear a thing when you have these on. I cannot hear any horns or people talking or music, nothing. Also, the sound quality on these is amazing, top notch. I love to listen to podcasts when I'm taking my evening walk. I listen to my audiobooks on these, and I literally use it every day, all the time. And I got this cute case from Amazon. It has a Chanel logo on it, but it's super cute. So if you're looking for a tech upgrade that will blend seamlessly into your everyday life, this is must-have. And there you have it, kitties, my ultimate must-have list that every girl needs, Manvi edition. And let me know your must-have in the comment section, or if there is something new that you're excited to try from today's video. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join the kitty fam and like this video, leave your comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care, keep shining.